Here we have a Samsung refrigerator, French door with a ice maker, and have a reminder that filter needs to be replaced. It became red, first flashing and then solid, and that means that we need to replace filter. This is model number RF27T5241, and the filter is located in the middle of the refrigerator above the freezer, and we need to turn this counterclockwise for a quarter turn and replace it. It is a little hard. And then we need to pull it out. And that's how it looks. I found replacement on Amazon. There are many options on many different websites. Amazon had best deal. I had 2 of them, and this is the second one that I'm replacing. It is well protected. It comes with a protector cap that we need to take off, and it is always a good idea to compare 2 and make sure they're the same. In my case it's easy because this is the second one that I am replacing from same order, but that's just a good idea to see if it's old, same as new. To put it back in, we need to end up with the arrow up where it says locked, but to put it in, we first need to push it in with the arrow being 9 o'clock, and then push it all the way in and twist it. Actually, push it a little bit more in. Like that, and then twist it with a little of effort to match the arrow with the lock sign. And I heard, maybe you do, the water hissing. That means that it is taking water and it is ready to be used. It is a good idea to check for a leak all around. And one more step is to let some water go out and let air go out. You see these bursts of water, and make sure that there is no air and that all filter is filled with the water and washed through for a cycle to avoid any smell or any dust that could be in the filter for the first time. And I think it needs to be at least 7 to 8 of these glasses, and then we should be okay. And I think if you see this water all around going after I fill up the glass, I think it's normal for very beginning till this pressure equalizes. Now after about 8 glasses of water, there is no more bursting pressure and water tastes well. What is left to do is to reset this filter reminder by holding this ice maker for about 3 seconds. And what I think I need to do in my case, I have this control lock, which I need to also hold for 3 seconds, and it will disappear. So that means I can do reset ice maker, and it says press and hold for 3 seconds and light needs to disappear, and it does. So now I can go back again and set the control lock, and it is back. So now we are about 6 months okay till next reminder. And that was all what it takes to replace the filter. One more thing I think that is good to mention is to immediately order new filter, to not to forget what type we need and have it ready, so it will be easier if it's possible, or just take a picture of it, keep it in your cell phone and know what to order next time. Either way, that's up to each individual, but I think this helped somebody to know it, how to replace it without manual if you don't have one. If you will have questions or comments, I'll be more than glad to answer. Thank you for watching.